Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new chatty video because I want to talk about like a topic that I really thought it could be interesting if you're a parent like me, and this is daycare. If you're interested in this topic, continue watching, but first consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell, and maybe you can follow me on Instagram too, please. But first of all, if you don't know me, I'm Livia and I'm a mom of a 22 months old girl. Her name is Elizabeth and I'm a full-time working mom. I'm a pastry chef and I started working again when she was 14 months. So at that time I was like, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna send her to daycare? Yes, I did. She's just going for 2 days a week because it's pretty expensive, because you might know that. And the other day my mother-in-law watches. If you're watching this video, thank you so much for watching Elizabeth the other days. And so I have no problem to tell you how much I pay for daycare, because I mean, if you're a parent, you probably already know how much daycare costs around here. And we pay $600 a month for 2 days a week. So it's a lot of money. I mean, so it's 8 days a week in the month. So my first experience was very anxious because I didn't know, I didn't want to send her to school because I've been with her every day for 14 months. But then I was like, you have to get detached from her and you have to do it. And I have to say my overall experience was amazing. I mean, it's still amazing because she's still going to school. She's obviously 22 months old now. When she started and she was 14 months old, she went to the infant daycare section of that school, and she was there until she turned 18 months, and then she passed on the next class, which is the older kids. And she's gonna be in that class until she's 2 years and something. One big plus of that school that we chose, I did a lot of research before sending her to school. I went to see a few schools around here, a few daycares, and the big plus was this school has webcams, so I can check her on my phone, and like I have my code and my password, and I can always check on her while she's at school and see what she's doing, if she's eating or not. I have to be honest, when she just started, I was checking it a lot more, but now I'm like, I really trust them because the school is amazing, and plus I'm like at work, I can be on my phone all the time. When she was in the infant section, there were a few activities, not fewer, but like they will still go outside maybe with the stroller because there is a backyard with a playground, and they still do a lot of activities, but you know, when they're infant and maybe they're just crawling, it's different. They obviously would do tummy time and all that stuff, but it's kind of like less fun to watch. But they took amazing care of her. But what I really like is at the end of the day, they will give you this big paper with all her stuff that she did during the day, like bowel movements, or if she ate good or not, or what she liked to play with. So that was very nice to be part of her day. Now that she's in the older section, they still do that, but it's a smaller piece of paper like this with a very like basic stuff without not getting too much into details. But I'm gonna tell you, like, her day is very scheduled, so I know what she's doing throughout the day. Usually I bring her to school a little bit before 8, and usually breakfast is until 8. So if you bring her after 8, you have to feed her at home, but usually she eats breakfast there. And from 8 to 10 they just play in school. Then they have a little snack, which usually is fruit. All the food has to come from home, which I really like, because I'm I don't want to say picky, but I like to make food for her, so I like to send what she likes and I like to make for her. Then from 10, I mean after the snack, to 11 they go in the backyard and play outside if it's obviously nice weather. Then at noon they have lunch. Then 1 to 3 it's nap time. After nap they have another snack, and then the rest of the day they either play outside or do activities inside. Another thing I really like about this school that maybe you should look into it too is that they're not set times of picking up or drop off. Like from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. you can drop her off or pick up anytime, multiple times. So that's worked out so good for me, because maybe some days I have to do other stuff in the morning or later in the afternoon, so that's very good. And my overall experience with her starting school was so positive. I suggest it so much to everybody because I was very nervous before sending her, but I saw such a big improvement in her behavior, in her being with other people, not only kids but even adults. And I mean, before she went to school, she didn't have a lot of kids friends, because I don't have a lot of friends that have kids. So I really enjoy her, seeing play with her like mates and like schoolmates. So that's an amazing plus, and I couldn't be more happy with it. One more thing that I really like about this school is that every month they send a calendar with every week there is a different theme, and every day there is a different activities involving that theme. How do you say theme? You got it. Anyway, like let's say this week it's Thanksgiving, so obviously the theme is Thanksgiving. Then maybe on Monday they talk about turkey, and then Tuesday about pilgrims or stuff like that. Or maybe in a normal week it's the color red, and they do all activities involving the color red. Obviously it's daycare, she's not even 2 years old, they're not talking about philosophy, but I can see such a big improvement on her. She always points at stuff and using new words that I didn't teach her, especially because I only speak Italian with her, but you know what I mean. So this was so good. I saw such a big improvement, and they always say she's very good at school, so I couldn't be more happy. So this is my overall experience. I hope this video it's maybe useful to you if you're a parent like me, especially because being a mom, first mom myself, I like to share every step of this journey with you, because I myself, if I have some doubt or if I have some question, sometimes I go on YouTube and look for opinions of other people that went through the same thing, and I always find it so like genuine and helpful. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to leave a like and a comment down here. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos about motherhood and parenthood, I'm gonna link a few here on the left. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!